Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. I am Ajit Lole, Assistant Professor, Yashwantrao Chavan College of Science, Karad. This lecture is for BSc second year student. Today I will discuss about Jurassic of Kutch. So let's start the lecture. The Jurassic rock formations occurs in Kutch area of Gujarat, Rajasthan and along eastern coast of peninsular India and in Spiti Salt Range and Kashmir of the extra peninsular region. The Jurassic rocks are particularly well developed in Kutch and Spiti areas. So Jurassic of Kutch. In Kutch area of Gujarat, the Jurassic rocks covers a large area. The belt of Jurassic rock extends east-west of about 150 kilometers. They are the oldest rock formation exposed in the Kutch area. The principal rock types of the Jurassic succession are sandstone, limestone and shale. The total thickness of the succession is about 2000 meter. These rocks are folded into three parallel anticlinal ridges trending east-west. South of Bhuj, there is a strike fault which runs in east-west direction. The Jurassic succession of Kutch is intruded by sills and dikes of basic composition. These sills and dikes are genetically related with a overlying Deccan traps. Jurassic rock of Kutch contain a good assemblage of fossils of lamellibranch, ammonites and plant fossils. The Jurassic succession of Kutch has been classified into four divisions: Pacham formation, Chari formation, Katrol formation and Umia formation. The stratigraphic classification of Jurassic succession of Kutch is in the table. There are four different formations or divisions. In that, lowermost division is Pacham. Thickness is about 300 meter. It is again divided into three different formations: basal limestone, shale limestone and coral limestone, coral beds. Then Chari formation, Chari division is of 400 meter thick and it is subdivided into five different formations: Macrocephalus bed, Rahmani beds, Ansippus and Sips beds, Athleta beds and Dosa ulites. Then Katrol formation or Katrol division is of 750 meter thick. It is again divided into five different formations: Contocte for sandstone, lower Katrol sandstone, middle Katrol sandstone, upper Katrol sandstone and Gajansar bed. Then Umia formation is of 1000 meter thick and it is also divided into five different subdivisions: ammonite beds, trigonia beds, ukra beds, plant beds and marine sandstone. This is stratigraphic succession of Jurassic of Kutch. Let's brief on it. First one is Pacham formation. This formation is made up of 300 meter thick succession of dark pisolitic limestone, olive green shales, Cherty limestone and marls. These beds have yielded a rich assemblage of corals, brachiopods, lamellibranch, Corbula Eomyodon lamellibranch and ammonites Microcephalus, Triangularis, etc. of Middle Jurassic age. Chari formation. This formation rests unconformably over the Pacham formation and is made up of sandy limestone, marls, shales and oolitic limestone. The total thickness of the succession is about 400 meter. The Chari formation is very rich in ammonites of Middle Jurassic age. It has been subdivided into 5 zones. Microcephalus bed. This bed occurs at the base of the Chari formation. They are composed of shales and oolites. The characteristic fossils of these beds is an ammonite called Macrocephalus. Then second one, Rahmani beds. These beds are composed of yellow limestone and their chief fossils are Rhynequiria rahmani and Shivajiceras. Then Anceps bed. These beds are made up of limestone and shales. They have yielded a characteristic ammonite called Paris pensect Anceps. Then Athleta beds. These beds are composed of marls and gypsous shales. Athleta beds. These beds are composed of marls and gypsous shales. The characteristic ammonites of this zone is Peletoceras athleta. Then Dosaulites. This zone contains beds of oolitic limestone. These limestones are very rich in ammonites such as Myates maya, Peltoceras and Perispintus. Then Control formation. The chief rock types of the Control formation are shale, limestone, sandstone and grit. The total thickness of succession is about 750 meters. The important fossils of these formations are lamellibranch and ammonites. These fossils indicates that the Control formation is of Upper Jurassic age. Then Umiya formation. This formation is composed of 1000 meter thick succession of sandstone and shale. Its age is between Upper Jurassic to Lower Cretaceous. The Umiya formation has been divided into 5 zones. Ammonite beds. These beds are made up of shales and oolitic sandstone. They are rich in ammonites. Then Trigonia beds. These beds are composed of sandstones and conglomerates. The characteristic fossil of this bed is a lamellibranch called Trigonia. Then Ukra beds. These beds are composed mainly of unfossiliferous sandstone. Ukra bed, unfossiliferous sandstone. Their total thickness is about 300 meter. These beds rest over the Trigonia beds. Then Umiya plant beds. The Ukra beds are overlain by a Umiya plant beds of freshwater origin. The chip rock types of these beds are sandstone and shale, which contain plant fossils. Brachyphyllum, Plagiophyllum and Williamsonia. Plagiophyllum and Williamsonia. These fossils indicate that the Umiya plant beds are of uppermost Jurassic to Lower Cretaceous age. Then last one is marine sandstone. This sandstone rests over a Umaia plant beds and contains ammonites of lower Cretaceous age. Lower Cretaceous age. The Jurassic of Kutch. Here also lots of terminology. So once again I would like to repeat the stratigraphy of Jurassic of Kutch or Jurassic succession of Kutch. There are 4 main divisions of Jurassic of Kutch, or 4 formations, in that Pacham, Chari, Katrol and Umaia formations. Pacham formation is again divided into 3 subdivisions: basal limestone, shale limestone and coral beds. Chari formation is again divided into 5 different subdivisions: macrocephalous beds, Rahmani beds, Anceps beds, Athleta beds and Dhosaolites. Katrol formation is again divided into 5 different subdivisions: Kantkote sandstone, lower Katrol sandstone, middle Katrol sandstone, upper Katrol sandstone and Gajansar bed. And lastly, Umaia formation is divided into 5 different subdivisions: ammonite beds, trigonia beds, ukra beds, plant beds and marine sandstone. This is all about Jurassic succession of Kutch. मगाशी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे किंवा याच्या अगोदरचं जे लेक्चर आहे त्या लेक्चरमध्येही तेच सांगितलेलं आहे की स्ट्रॅटिग्राफी म्हटलं की इतिहासात घडलेल्या गोष्टी त्याचं प्रिझर्वेशन झालेलं असतं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फॉसिल्स. ज्या एरियामध्ये ते सापडलं जातं त्या एरियाच्या नावानुसार त्याचं नाव ठरलं जातं आणि त्यानुसार टर्मिनॉलॉजी ह्या ठिकाणी ठेवल्या जातात, ज्या त्या जशाच्या तशा मानल्या जातात. तर त्या आपल्याला समजावून सांगण्यापेक्षा समजावून घेणं गरजेचं असतं. त्यामुळे हे लेक्चर्स जे आहेत स्ट्रॅटिग्राफीचे ते वारंवार बघायचे आहे, ऐकायचे आहेत आणि त्यामधून आपल्याला पॉईंट्स स्वतःचे काढायचे आहेत, स्वतःचे पॉईंट्स काढायचे आहेत. त्यानंतरच हे गोष्टी आपल्याला समजणार आहेत. अदरवाईज गॉड नोज. सो काही नाही, भीती घ्यायची नाही. तर जसं सांगितलं होतं की नवीन गोष्टी ज्या आहेत किंवा नवीन ज्या टर्मिनॉलॉजी आहेत त्या आपल्याला पाहुण्यासारख्या ट्रीट करायच्या आहेत आणि त्यांना आपल्या घरातलंच बनवायचं आहे. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट द टर्मिनॉलॉजी, रिपीट द थिंग्स and it is so easy to understand. I hope you understood the lecture. If you have any doubts, ask me into the comment box. The new viewers, request you all, don't forget to subscribe this channel for notification of about upcoming videos. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much.